Good morning, everyone. Special to you, sir. I'm the second reporter of Group 6. So, protecting one's legal interests. Preparing contracts, permits, and licenses that are required and complying with other legal requirements will ensure that the event may proceed without interruptions. So, protecting one's legal interest is, while you are protecting one's legal interest, kuno dapat need nimo i-prepare ang mga contracts or mga papilis na kinahanglanon. Like yaon, pag-prepare ng mga contracts or permits sa isa ka business. Like for example, gusto ako magtukod na business sa inside the mall. And then, ang gusto ko itukod na business about skincare. So, in order for me to makatukod ng business sa inside the mall, need na ako ng permit para mapahintulutan na kuan mapahintulutan na makatokod ako ngadto sa business. Need na ako ng permit, contract, kay once sa good na kibali pahintukod ako lamang palitaw ng business nimo na waray permit or licenses is magka-complex ang imo business. May posibilidad na pahawaon ka sa ginatukodan nimo ng business, ano niyaon, and also isab um kung magkuan ka balitaw yon, magpasa ka na mag-prepare ka ng business permit or ipasa nimo sa higher yan, like for example sa manager ipasa nimo ang imo business permit, dili nimo siya basta-basta balitaw makuha dayon because need pa sa gud nila bitaw reviewhon if may mga complex ba sa imong permit or etc. Next is adherence to ethical practices. So, one of the requirements of a profession is to follow a code of ethical conduct. Because event manager has emerged as a modern profession, a code of ethics has been developed by International Special Event Society. So, an adherence to ethical conduct is amo ini to ethical practices. In profession, it is really significant to follow the code of ethical conduct, which you are being consistent to your action, to follow the right path. Yan balitaw mga decision nimo na yaon ka sa kuan balitaw sakto maintain like consistency ka, tas gina-uphold nimo na honesty, like yaon balitaw aiming a profession, a good profession that wants to promote a good conduct, like mga yaon ing anak balitaw. Like yan, for example, ako as an manager sa isa ka business, gusto ko na anak ko mga empleyado is gusto ko na they have a good attitude or good attitude. So in order sa mga employee na they have a good attitude, mag-start tayo ako sa akong kagalingon kibalik ginashow ko sila or ginapakita ko sa ila na I have a kibali good attitude, a good leader, ganyan. Because once agad makita bitaw nila na ang ilahang manager is buotan, so ang mga employee kibali ma-apply bitaw nila na mahada na wala nung sila na ay since buotan na nako manager, so magbinutan sa bako, like kibali ma-apply balitaw nila sila kagalingon. Next is protecting one's financial investment. No. Ensuring the safety and security of event stakeholders. A safe event environment is one that is protective from future harm. The event manager is responsible for contracting a safe, secure environment and sustaining it during the course of an event. So, ensuring the safety and security event is amunian pag-ensure ng safety ng mga stakeholders sa mga meeting. Like for example, si April, isa siya sa event manager. So, an event manager responsible ka kung hain na lugar mag-conduct ang meeting. And also, isa kung kibali like yung mga meeting ng mga stakeholders, kibali responsible ka niya. Like for example, ang mga stakeholders is gusto mag-meeting sa Gold Bar or may mo na yahanap na place sa kuan kibala unta lamang na hanap ko ng place sa Gold Bar yaon. And then so as event manager balitaw, siguraduon nimo na yaon na lugar is safe, waray mga ihitabo ng mga krimen or something yaon, or waray mga pagkadto ng mga event manager sa gold pa sa location, waray dili ang mga ang kalsada balitaw dili lubak-lubak. Kali niya ang kibali gina-ensure nimo ang safety ng agihan para dili sila maglisod para dili sila maglisod pag-agi. And also isab as event manager, siguraduon nimo na waray dapat mistake balitaw na imong mahimo during the meeting. So in short na responsible ka kiba in short na event manager responsible ka sa paghanap ng location, sa mga safety ng mga stakeholders, safety ng agihan, hado niyaon, siguraduon sab nimo na during meeting dili kuan yan ano pa dili ko maka make ng mistake. So next is protecting one's financial investment. So protecting through legal, ethical, and risk management, proactive measures may help the event produce greater revenue. So protecting one's financial investment is you need to ensure balitaw ang mga financial investment and imo clients is secure. Like for example, ako ga-invest ako sa company ni Dina. And then si Dina dapat gina-secure niya na ako gina-invest na kwarta is safe. Waray makuwaan, dili makuwangan or something na halinyaon. Kay kung once a good na once na mapalpak ka balita sa paghawid ng kwarta ng imo clients is may posibilidad gyud na madaot ani ng iyo company. So once na madaot, wala na mga customer na moduol sa iyo, wala na mga customer na makapag it i-trust ang iyo company na halinyaon. So that is sir. Thank you for listening.